Marvel, Avengers. Avengers assemble. This is the story of the Avengers. Meet Tony Stark. He is very smart. He likes to build things. Tony built a suit of armor. He is now called Iron Man. Iron Man can fly. This is Bruce Banner. He is a scientist. He works in a lab. When Bruce gets angry, he turns into the Hulk. The Hulk is very big and green. Next is Thor. He is from another world. Thor has a magical hammer. He can control lightning. Thor has a brother. His name is Loki. Loki is a very sneaky villain. Steve Rogers is small and weak. He wants to be big and strong. He wants to fight for what is right. Later, he becomes Captain America. He fights for justice. Cap has a shield. It is red, white, and blue. Next up is Clint Barton. His codename is Hawkeye. He uses a bow and arrow. He is a great shot. There is also Natasha Romanoff. She is called Black Widow. She is a super spy and a good fighter. Finally, there is Nick Fury. He is the leader of S.H.I.E.L.D. S.H.I.E.L.D. is a special group that helps people. Nick Fury wants to make a new group to assist S.H.I.E.L.D. Nick Fury creates a team of superheroes. He calls them the Avengers. The Avengers fight for good. They use their powers to stop bad guys. When there is trouble, the Avengers assemble.